Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to share live location on Facebook app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Facebook Messenger app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Facebook Messenger app. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to simply choose a contact that you want to share your live location with. So I'm going to simply scroll down. So I'm going to select this particular contact right here. Okay, so the next thing I want to do here is to simply click on this plus sign at the bottom right here. Click on this plus. Just like so. This is going to pump up. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on location. Then the next thing you want to do here is to simply click on allow. Then take you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to click on while using the app. Then it will automatically locate the current location you have. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on send current location. Just like so. And the location will be sent successfully, as you can see right here. So basically, this is how to send your live location on Facebook app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.